Can I start now?
Actually, no.
You already did, didn't you?
I did. Hi, Damage Stepping. We got,
I cut already.
should I say the decks?
I got,
Over here?
no.
Wind up? Over here?
It was Clue.
Oh, you got Clue?
Sinister Serpent?
Stop. This is top 8.
Yeah.
This is Rescue Rabbit.
Look at this mess. What am I gonna do with this? That's what I think I lost game 1.
Oh shit. I think you I think it might.
You might as well stop. I don't know.
There is no coming back.
No, so did Ryan though.
Hey!
No, yeah. If you don't, oh my dad's here.
Look at this field. You don't want to record this match? You don't want to record this match? Yeah, I do. Yeah. Don't shoot for a certain every time.
Fucking.
I was about to take life. Set Monster Reborn.
Okay.
I'm swinging Library Close.
Yeah. Monster Born it.
You got it.
Huh?
No, pass.
Oh, I have a Tengu too. Chill.
That's right, Face.
Joshy.
That's right.
Tengu in hand?
No, my bad.
No, sorry.
That's fine.
Sure.
Should have a party.
Oh, Jesus.
I touched your mom. You touched your mom. He touched your mom. She touched your mom.
Oh no, that works. Normal.
Library?
That is so good. That is so. I'm so glad that I brought Goblin Zombie to the deck now, because that is very broken.
No. You confused me.
Attack with the short.
You brought Tengu.
Before I do that.
Tengu, bulb, and 2 tokens.
That's
Wait,
fine.
before I do that.
I will
Yeah.
also search.
Tengu, bulb, and 2 tokens.
I will get value. Attack with the other short.
Josh.
I will search again. This time I will
Library
get Gale.
formula?
Go.
I'm gonna get a right.
Oh, hold up. When that other payment turn activates, 20.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
The
Formula.
minuses, family, or the minuses. If you can try to get a Victini. If you can try to get a Victini. The thing is, I was expecting you to have like an MST or something. Yeah, I'm looking.
Alright, main phase 2.
Probably got
a lot
some.
of
I can't do
Oh
anything.
shit, yeah.
Do you have any backers that can stop anything?
Maybe.
Maybe. Now I gotta go. Now I gotta go for broke.
Really?
That's
5.
You got a library?
8.
I don't think I'm going
Fine?
Stardust.
Yeah.
Why?
because I'm not going to take days off, so I just might not go.
4.
Fact.
Good thing it doesn't make
Or
this
just
too.
play this.
Arcanine?
Why?
Yes, sir.
Well, that's a win, that's why. 1, 2, Wow, I hate you.
Pass.
Draw. 14.
Take 31.
Serious?
Oh my god, this game is so perfect opening hand.
Come on.
Hand.
Perfect opening hand. I couldn't have asked for a better hand. Good ass.
Your move, Gale.
Yes, I did.
You douchebag.
I knew it. You
douchebag.
were gonna do something with it. I knew that was gonna happen.
Douchebag.
Yes. This is lovely.
I hate you.
Gale removal.
Can you give us a
I
sandwich?
really
Yeah.
What's Hand's defense? Alright.
I know you have Monster Reborn, so I'm not gonna leave that in there.
Sam.
What?
Call on.
I'm losing very badly, so I'm angry.
Oh.
I'm on my way.
A few seconds.
Go.
I had the perfect opening hand.
Like, I don't even want to use anything
Oh,
yet.
Damn.
God, that's
I'm the worst
one. Oh,
Vanish.
that's great. Vanish.
Top station.
Make that
New technology, come on.
You don't want to say your.
You haven't even taken my touch.
Want to boost? Like, throw it back?
That's why.
How much for the good match? 20. Alvin's a good though. Yes. I'll take 20.
Fine, that shit happens. This shit happens.
What? Life? That was first.
I gotta get cards out of my mind.
Sure.
Can I get it today? Actually, let's do I'm not gonna get mine today. That's a Starlight Road.
Main phase 2.
That I brought.
Scribble.
Pick them up for 6 and then you sell them for no more engraved?
What's that?
The amount of people that want to get rid of things for 50.
I just can't draw. I just cannot draw.
Kitten is one that bounces, right? A card or monster?
Let me know if I'm stacking.
Okay.
Remove a value.
Can't be other anti-venom. It's impossible.
Go ahead.
Thing is, plants naturally beat that next
Yeah. You have friggin' everything.
We would have to play each other.
What'd you draw? Like, are you serious?
And I'm going to summon it, yes.
Wow, Sam, scoop it up.
Like, you opened up the nuts and I opened up the anti-nuts.
Yeah, tie up your hand is not bad whatsoever.
That's not bad.
How much is each one?
Red butter.
Search.
Like 13 each. 13.33 each. 13.33.
What's going on? What is taking so long?
I'm thinking.
Oh. Thinking Lincoln?
Ryan just started.
Huh? I contribute a wind-up monster.
You heard that, right?
To take a card from your hand.
I need that.
Negate that. You farted. I didn't. Come on, stop. Seriously. Negate the summon. It's negate and destroy, right? Negate and destroy.
No, I don't, but I don't want
Destroy
it.
something. Destroy that card. You're the one that did it. No, I didn't.
I love you, Ryan.
Ryan, that was you. Then it was probably stepping.
Either way, it's a fart. It wasn't like poison. You didn't need to have a seizure over it.
Oh my god, I'm choking.
I literally
I read a study somewhere that breathing farts causes cancer. then if you said that, then your reaction was acceptable.
I'm so glad.
I go first on my game.
Hey, you didn't.
Gail?
So that way we can rewind and I can show you what you should have done.
That's probably the most sure match. They're not going to.
Show pass.
That's
You
it.
can't even sell them at. That's
Back
the
to it.
problem. Like, you can't even sell them. Yeah.
And that's why it didn't matter what you summoned, and you should have done one that was a guaranteed.
You fishes for my triple tank.
What? No, I didn't
I
matter.
only triple tank.
Okay.
That's pretty sorry.
Because I was trying to force in the game.
I don't think that forces the negate.
Mind control, Dad.
Huh?
I didn't think so either.
So why did you summon that one?
I hope. Pop itself.
That's why I'm saying you should have done the other one. That would have you got lucky that he did.
I know. 13? Huh?
So they should really be recording this
Type of
game.
match.
Yeah.
Not one match.
24?
How many wind-up meows are you playing?
Two.
That's what I thought. So then, you would still have one.
I think the game would have been over by then. So
I guess.
done.
Life?
The phone.
My 19, you're 8.
Who's gonna be on? Whoa! Look at that call. Are you? Should I answer that? It's just a bunch of zeros.
Answer.
Hell no.
Stay in my face.
I don't want the devil calling me and getting long distance charges. Fuck that.
That's the one. 18.
Is it accept?
Fucking crazy.
Accept. Okay. I thought it was erotic. No, it's the original. It's not erotic. Alright.
1,000?
Yeah.
You have to say meow when you use it to fetch.
Opening tour guide.
You have to say meow.
Gets priority.
Oh hell yeah, it's a kitten. Kittens get priority to everything. Scratch poles, dog food,
Cat litter.
cat litter.
Tuna fish.
Yeah. If you put out your dog's food, cat gets priority to
Not
it.
too much.
Yes, you said meow.
This
I'm gonna
guy
patent
legitimately
that.
open with every. Where's your dojo? I mean, not your dojo. Where's your
It's like
gateway?
game 1, 2.
I wish I did.
It's unfortunate.
Can I read the circle?
You can have it.
Don't touch me. Probably.
Wait, you have the monster that run over me. Alright.
You guys can whatever.
I have to be able to stay alive.
What game?
I think we should play Jiang Keto, the Cure Master, in this deck.
Okay,
we
we have
need some
another
more
bad
life.
card.
Come on, let's. This isn't top 8 or anything.
It's not, guys.
Is that
Come on.
top 8 in a 12-man local?
I don't care.
We're all playing for Spider-Man's approval. He's watching over us.
No, we're actually playing for a box. So top 4 is going to Taco Bell playing out.
The box of Spider-Man's approval.
A 12 taco box?
It's a box filled with Spider-Man's
I was about to get.
Let's see.
Actually,
How many cards do you have in hand?
Yeah.
2.
I gotta read
And you're
stuff.
adding Rescue Rabbit next turn, correct?
Wow, wait. Are you sure that that wasn't like a long
No, I
time
gotta
ago?
read those. That's fine.
Yeah.
I thought you should have got that already.
So, I gotta read those too. Take it.
I'm picking it up.
Yeah, I feel. I thought you couldn't bail it.
What just got solemn judgment did?
Book of Moon.
You're a book.
How many cards in your hand?
Huh?
How many cards?
I've never bailed a hand before. I did not know you could do that. Search. Wait,
What?
It's amazing how
Most
much
people attribute itself.
fucking. It's amazing how much.
800.
How much fucking advantage I have, and I'm still gonna lose.
That's what happens. That's why you need to play Instant Fusion.
Cards in here.
Attack plague spreader.
4.
That's a really
Attack damage turtle.
super shiny.
Go ahead.
Oh, that's
I probably got it.
oh yeah. Yeah. No, you understand.
And there goes the battle.
What are you doing?
Go.
Oh, just put it on video.
Alright, well, this duel is still going on, but we all know that it's over, so I'm gonna stop the film now.
Don't do that.
Alright. I was gonna.
That's fine.
Oh, because the life is 950 to 71.
Did you have a black
What? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, see? Told you.